Four-floor hallway, buzzing neon hum in the air. I'm holding laundry, you're barefoot in an office chair. Your punch B7 says, out of order on the glass. You kick it gently, then we both just start to laugh. This is our vending machine gospel, preaching the fluorescent glow. You say life's just broken options, I say try again, you never know. We're making tiny little promises with pocket change and tight eyes. Vending machine gospel on a Thursday, saving lives. Oh yeah, you trade me quarters for a story from my week. I say I'm fine really, but the metal makes me speak. You're not like thunder in an oversized hoodie throne. We share a stale cookie like it's bread for broken bones. This is our vending machine gospel, preaching the fluorescent glow. You say maybe grace is plastic, I say it's the fact you showed. We're making tiny little promises between the buttons and the sides. Vending machine gospel on a Thursday, saving lives. Woo! One more dollar, one more try. You say for courage, I say for time. The spiral turns, the wrapper falls. We split the proof that fate still calls. This is our vending machine gospel, preaching the fluorescent glow. You say love is in the waiting, I say it's in sharing what we owe. We're making tiny little promises as the hallway hums outside. Vending machine gospel on a Thursday, you're on my side.